Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach about the LCM. The lowest common multiple of two or more number is the smallest number which is multiple of each of the number is called LCM. Note, LCM is product of common factor and which are not common factor. Common factor are multiplied only once. Find the LCM by two methods, prime factorization method and common division method. Number one question, find the LCM of 24, 15 and 36 by the prime factorization method. First, you find the given number prime factor. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Next number 24. 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s are. Next number 36. 2 18 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Therefore, prime factorization of 15 is equal to common factor 3 into 5. 24, their common factor 2 into 2 into 2, maximum 3 times into 3. 36, their common factor 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Take here common or uncommon. Common factor is 3, common factor is 2. So, common factor of prime numbers 2 into 2 and 2 is not common, so you will take 3 into 3 into 5. You will multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 or 24 3s are 72 into 5 is equal to 360. 360 is your LCM. Next question. Question number 2. LCM of 40, 45 and 48 by common division method. Given number is 40, first put with comma and lowest number which maximum at least two number will be divisible. 20 as it is right because not divisible. 24. 20 and 24 is divisible, so common prime number 2. 2 tens are 20. 45 as it is below right. 12. 2 5s are 45 as it is. 2 6s are 12. 3 because two number divisible. 15. 2 3s are 6. 5 two numbers divisible at least. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 hence LCM of 40, 45 and 48 is equal to 1 2 3 2 3 times 3 into 5 into 3 into 2 is equal to 720. LCM is equal to 720. Given number 40, 45 and 48. At least two number will be divisible to common number. So take 2. 2 20s are 40 as it is right. 45. 2 24s are 48. 2 10s are 20. 2 15 not divisible. 45 so as it is right below. 12. 2 5s are 45 as it is. 2 6s are 12. 3 divisible all two numbers, so here some mistake. 5 as it is. 15 3 2s are 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 and 2 as it is. Now you find the product or the 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 5 into 3 into 2. At last LCM is equal to 720. Three properties of LCM you will learn. The LCM of two more co-prime number is equal to their method product. The LCM of group of a number is always greater than the given number. Product of two number is equal product of HCF and LCM.